Hello there. Welcome to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. Okay, so let's make some chicken soup. It's getting cold out there. Thumbs up, share the video, subscribe. Okay, in this pot I already have cooking. It's been cooking for about 5 minutes. Carrots, and I think this is called batata. It's white looking on the inside, and this is what it looks like on the outside. And it reminds you of a sweet potato because it's sweet. Okay, so let's add the other ingredients. This is 3 chicken thighs cut up. Gotta add some water to that. Okay, I have about 6 ounces of water so far. This is 1 cup of purple onions cut up. One cup of tomatoes cut up. Okay, and this is some pea pods that look like this that I cut up to this size. So we're going to put those in later, and we're going to put in the mushrooms later. This is about a cup of mushrooms cut up. Let's add some garlic paste. Okay, that's 3/4 of a tablespoon of a heaping tablespoon of garlic paste. And I have some chicken base. If you don't have chicken base, you can use chicken broth. One heaping, 2 heaping tablespoons full. Okay, I want to add some black pepper. Granulated onion. Okay, so I think I'm going to add another 2 ounces of water, so that will be 8 ounces total of water. Okay, so we're going to let that cook for about 10 minutes, and I'll come back and check on it. Thank you. Okay, so our chicken vegetable soup have been cooking for about 15 minutes. Now we're going to add the pea pods, mushrooms. Oops, dropped one. And some cream of chicken soup. I'm going to start with half first and see how thick that gets. Okay, I want to add the rest of the can. So I'm adding the entire can of cream of chicken into the soup. That's going to give some nice flavor, and it's going to thicken it up. Okay, we're going to let that come up to temp, and we'll be back. Okay, our cream of chicken vegetable soup is done. It smells divine. Let me plate up and show you. Thanks. Okay, take a look. Does that look good? Oh boy. Oh, it smells so good, guys. Okay, I'm gonna taste. Okay, let's see. Wow. So good. Really good. And that cream of chicken thickened it up. And it just really brought in a nice flavor along with these vegetables. Awesome. Awesome. I'm going to go and enjoy this. And please make yours and enjoy yours, because we need something warm and soothing to get us through the upcoming winter. So this is the beginning of many meals that will bring you comfort. And until next time, thumbs up, share the video, and a good word, be safe. Bye-bye.